help identify and mitigate biases that might creep in unintentionally. They act as a checkpoint to ensure that AI systems function as intended, respecting fairness and equality. Transparency in AI algorithms also plays a pivotal role. When the workings of AI are open for scrutiny, it builds trust. Developers and users alike can understand and verify the fairness of AI decisions, fostering a culture of accountability. Moreover, the development of AI should not be left solely to programmers and data scientists. The inclusion of interdisciplinary teams is vital. Ethicists, sociologists, and cultural experts bring diverse perspectives that help in sculpting AI systems that are not only technically proficient, but also socially sensitive and ethical. Initiatives and guidelines from organizations like IEEE and the AI Now Institute offer structured approaches to embedding fairness in AI. These guidelines serve as beacons, guiding developers in creating AI that is not only powerful and efficient, but also just and equitable. Implementing these strategies ensures that AI technologies serve everyone equitably. In summary, the journey to responsible AI is crucial and ongoing. As we've explored today, the specter of AI bias looms large, subtly influencing outcomes in ways that can perpetuate inequalities. This is not just a theoretical concern, but a practical issue that touches on every AI project, including those undertaken by B.Tech students. Awareness is the first step towards change. By understanding the facets of AI bias and the importance of fairness, students and developers are better equipped to implement proactive measures. These include diverse data sets, continuous testing for biases, and inclusive design principles, ensuring their projects contribute positively to society. Moreover, the role of education in shaping future technologists is undeniable. It's imperative to integrate ethics right from the academic level, encouraging budding engineers to envision and create technology that upholds the highest standards of fairness and inclusivity. Let's not be passive observers. Instead, let's actively advocate for and participate in the development of responsible AI. Together, we can shape an equitable future with AI. The choice is ours.